Hey guys, what is up? Today I am going to show you how to use your Android or iOS device as a webcam for Windows 10. For this tutorial I am using an iOS device, but the steps are mostly the same on Android. I am using Droid Cam for this. There are many other apps that allow you to use your phone as a webcam with Windows 10. Droid Cam is not free, but we are using the trial version of Droid Cam. First go to where I am going. Link is in the description. Download the Droid Cam app on your PC or laptop and your mobile device. Then run the Setup Installation Wizard as administrator and complete the setup. I recommend you restart your computer after installing Droid Cam. You can use Droid Cam by internet or wired, or creating an internet server. For this tutorial I will go with wired. Highly recommend you also go with wired because there is minimal latency. To connect your device through USB, then for Android you need a good data cable, and for iOS you may need an adapter. Then go to the USB tab in Droid Cam client, and if you didn't see your device, just check from the drop-down list. If it doesn't appear, then just click the refresh button, or there is something wrong with your device. Now you are using your mobile device as a webcam for Windows 10, absolutely free. So guys, that was the end of the video. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.